We all need to work on this together, don't we?
Yeah, we sure do.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they're going to reach their goal and hopefully maybe a little bit above it as well.
Yeah.
All right, let's talk about the weather right now. We have some beautiful conditions and it's been a bit dry. There's no doubt about that. And I think that's going to be the trend that we follow for probably the next 5 to 7 days with just maybe one moment of rain. Not the case at all for today. Beautiful shot. Look at this. Is at Stoller Winery. Here's the weather headlines. And the first one is something that I just mentioned. It's really dry outside. And with that, we're pairing it with just pollen and allergens that are just going to town. So you'll definitely feel that as you go through the next week or so. There's going to be some breezy moments, but some locations will see more tame conditions than others. So along the Oregon coast, maybe a little more breezy, and then some other locations in the valley for tonight. And then off to the east, it's settled just a little bit. Okay, so how about another round of 70-degree temperatures? Why not? We already did it a couple times. Last week, we actually had 3 days, I believe. It was Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. This week, I think that we will probably see about 2 more, so that'll put us up to about 5 for the month of April, which is quite the number in total for us because we should be about 60 degrees. All right, I mentioned the allergy forecast. Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday into the high criteria there, mainly just the tree pollens. If you aren't bothered by those, consider yourself pretty fortunate because it is just going to be going and raging as we go through the week. All right, satellite and radar, we have cooler air to the east. Yeah, a little bit of rain and some snowfall out there. For us, though, we are nice and dry, really not much occurring. I do want to zoom in real quick because we do have a fire up towards Longview, and you can actually start seeing that pick up there on the satellite. So that is that smoke that is blowing down to the south. We'll kind of check on that and see what is the cause of that, but I know that it is at least popping up on the satellite, so that smoke is blowing, and it's probably a pretty large fire. Okay, so current wind speeds, they are again running all of the north and northwest, about 10 to 15 miles per hour right around Portland up to the north. We may see wind gusting to about 20 miles per hour. That goes for some time frames tomorrow morning as well. You can see that it's pushing to about 20 to 25 miles per hour. All right, here's that ridge of high pressure. This is going to leave us dry, cold air. I mean, they're experiencing snow right now in areas of Minnesota, Wisconsin. We've just been sitting real pretty with those temperatures again in the 60s. And on top of it, we're going to warm up a little bit. So as I mentioned, we have a couple more days where we'll probably hit the 70s. I have that on Thursday and Friday. So here's the temperature trend. Here's our average. So we are going to be above that as we go through the course of the week. The coast tomorrow, temperatures in the 60s, nice and sunny. For us, mid to upper 60s. I have a high of about 67 degrees. Off to the east, very similar, but kind of cooler. Temperatures in the lower 50s there, but we'll keep the sunshine, so that's the pattern there across the state. And then into the areas of the gorge, those temperatures can be in the mid-60s for tomorrow. All right, with that, your 7-day forecast, as I mentioned, there's a small chance for some rain, maybe Wednesday morning in the mid-60s there. Other than that, it looks like we're nice and sunny. Temperatures, again, are going to be flourishing on Thursday and Friday, weighing into the 70s once again.
Very nice. Thank you, Joseph.